Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today I'll let you guys know the ways to sign in into your Microsoft 365. In order to log in or sign in into your Microsoft 365 account, you'll have to create an account first of all. That means you must have already registered. After which you want to open up a browser, then you want to go ahead and type in www.office.com. When you do that, it's going to take you to the official page of Microsoft 365. If you don't have an account, you just click on Get Microsoft 365, and if you already have an account, then click on Sign In. As you press the Sign In button, now you'll have to go ahead and type in your information. That includes either entering your phone number, email address, or the Skype address. So I have it actually saved into my device. I'm gonna go ahead and type in my passcode and click the next button. As soon as you do that, after which you'll be asked to type in the password. Do that same thing and click the sign in button, and you will have successfully logged into your Microsoft 365 account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.